Hi guys, morning, good morning. What sold today on eBay? What sold on eBay today? Well, let's find out. So I just checked the dashboard. Currently, there's 19 items that I need to ship today, and a couple of these are from today. So yesterday probably was around, I think, 17 items. Here it is. 19 items sold. Okay. Okay, what I'm gonna do now is delete the items that got sold. Delete the items on Poshmark that got sold on eBay. Okay, the way I determine if this item is listed on Poshmark is we have a label here on eBay for each listing that says on PM, which means on Poshmark. So me and my virtual assistant, my sister, did this for a couple of years, and then I just let her stop because I don't need virtual assistant for now. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I have my other phone to delist the item. It's just easier and faster if I use my phone. I just checked on Poshmark that we sold one item. It's a t-shirt for $6. So I'm gonna go ahead and delete that on. I actually don't delete that. I just hit not for sale and then click next. Order on skirt. See, this is what I'm talking about. It's so irritating. They can't just have a filter where I can enter my SKUs so I can easily find the item. Like, they should be able to develop something like that. Okay, I just finished the listing all sales across all channels. And I'm going to start fulfilling the Poshmark order first because I don't want to juggle both because that's kind of confusing, and I don't want to I just don't want to mess things up because I don't want to get negative reviews on eBay. I'm fine with Poshmark if I get negative because I don't really care that much, but eBay is kind of strict. So alright, here it is, the first item that got sold. That's it for today, guys. See you next time. Bye.